How does the new California state home exemption help you in bankruptcy? Hi, I'm attorney Leroy Roberson, and I wanted to cover this topic because most people's homes are the most valuable asset that you'll ever own. And in California, there's been a new exemption that was signed by Governor Newsom that is set to take place January 1, 2021 that will be very beneficial to homeowners. So if you own a home and you're considering filing for bankruptcy, listen up because this video is for you. Now, previously, California had a homestead exemption where if you were single, you could exempt up to $75,000 of equity in your property. And if you have a dependent or someone else in the household, up to $100,000. And then depending on age and disabilities, that exemption could go up as high as $175,000. Well, starting January 1, 2021, that's about to change, and it is going to help with the equity in your home immensely. So the way the new bill works, and it's AB 1885, and how it works is you can now look at the greater of one, the median county-wide sale price of your homes in the calendar year before you file for bankruptcy. So let's say you're thinking about filing for bankruptcy in 2021 and the median sale prices of your homes are about $500,000, or you could have equity up through $500,000. Well, you'll be allowed to claim the equity as exempt starting in 2021, but that number is up to $600,000. And then the second factor to look at is if the median sale price, let's say it's only at $200,000 of equity. Well, the second prong of that is you can exempt up to $300,000. So to say that more clearly, it's the greater of either the median countywide sale price the year prior to filing bankruptcy up to $600,000 or $300,000, which means the minimum that you're going to be able to claim as an exemption for the amount of equity you have in your home is $300,000 and a maximum of $600,000, which completely blows out of the water the current exemption amount of a maximum, depending on disabilities, of $175,000. But realistically, most people are going to be at that $75,000, $100,000 range as far as the current exemptions of equity. So this will give people, homeowners that have a little bit more equity in their properties, a lot more leeway in filing for bankruptcy without having to worry that they could lose their home. So I wanted to make this video because it is important. And remember, it starts January 2021. So if you fall in this category and you have a ton of equity and you're considering bankruptcy, remember, it doesn't go into effect until January 1, 2021. So keep that in mind. And if you can hold off until January 1 if you meet these factors, and that's going to be an issue for you. So that's it, guys. I wanted to make the video for you. If you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and let me know and we can talk more about it. If not, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Resolve Law Firm, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, guys.